This is a technique for arthroscopic rotator cuff repair with acellular dermal graft augmentation. We use 4 portals. After the tear and the footprint were debrided, we measure the defect useful for the graft preparation. We implant 2 anchors, one posterior to the medial aspect of the footprint, passing the threads along the posterior edge of the tear. The second anchor is implanted anteriorly and the 2 threads were passed through the anterior edge of the tear. The sutures are knot and tied down medially. The remaining 4 threads will pass through the graft. The graft is prepared and pre-soaked in a vancomycin solution for 15 minutes. The threads are passed through the medial edge of the graft, anterior and posterior. Using sliding knots to approximate the graft to the tendon, the matrix must be placed on top of the medial aspect of the tear. 1 thread anterior and 1 posterior were crossed through a sliding anchor. The other anterior and posterior threads are fixed with a second anchor. Finally, we verify the correct placement of the graft.